Hi, this is Timothy Hughes from latest3dsgames.com. Today I'm gonna just have a quick look at Dead or Alive Dimensions. Just unbox it very quickly. As you can see, it just came out today in the UK, and I'm just gonna quickly have a quick look at this one. Quickly load it up as well, and we'll have a real, just brief look at the try and get the packaging off. Arrived in a slightly different packaging to what I was expecting. Different design on the front cover there. 16 rated. Not quite sure why that is, but we'll soon find out when we have a very quick look. Here's all the Nintendo points and the cartridge. Whoops! On the floor there. And just gonna shuffle this into the back of the 3DS quickly. Hopefully it's going to work. Arrived from Amazon on time, which was great. Turn the 3DS on, try and get out of the way. Just going to zoom in a bit and have a real brief look. There's the screen. Try and line myself up properly a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to try and play it back from some distance away, so this should be interesting. And load up, see what happens. Just give you a very quick brief look at the game, hopefully. Oh, can't read that. And whatever that says, we'll just hit yes. I think you've got Street Pass activated. I think that came out today actually, just having a quick look on the internet at lunchtime. Street Pass facility, I think I'm going to actually have to read that. Street Pass has been activated. Yep. Sure you want to create extra data? Yep. Just going to have to go for this. Okay. So it's obviously very compatible with the new 3DS Street Pass, and we're just going to have a real quick look now. Here we go. Shuffle it back. Okay, just going to turn 3D, oops, turn the 3D down. Making a bit of a hack up here, but hey, never mind. Turn the 3D down, and hopefully you can see the cutscenes, CGI cutscenes look pretty impressive. Let's have a look. Let's just try and start the game up for you. I'm going to try and review this in a couple of days. Give it a good gameplay first. And takes quite a while to get into it. A little bit slow loading. Very nice. I don't think I can actually speed this up at all for you. Turn the sound up for you. Might actually be able to hear it now. Pretty impressive. Just trying to.
You actually expect to be our leader someday? Father! Forget about your brother.
Forward into the game.
Ready yourself. Now your turn. Strike back.
Okay, seem to have gone into learning mode here.
A strike is more than a single punch. You must overwhelm your adversary with attacks. Enough punching.
Graphics are very impressive.
Together. Keep your adversary guessing.
Good combination there. Okay. So we'll do a full review of this in a couple of days. Okay, actually it's going into the game now. To remember this in the Xbox, it's pretty similar. I think you can actually go round your opponent and you can smash through the screens and onto new levels, etc., and go through the backgrounds. Okay, it's a bit of a random quick look at it, but there you go, and we'll have a proper look at it in a couple of days in a full review. Might just stay for this bit. Pretty story driven by the looks of it for a fighting game. Ooh, don't want to turn it off now. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Don't forget to check out the website, latest3dsgames.com. Uploading stuff all the time at the moment. And check back soon. Hopefully have this reviewed by the end of Sunday with a bit of luck. Thanks for watching.